Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Nable. Today is 17 December 2022. Today's my favorite topic is containment in Java. So I can telling about the containment in Java. Containment are ways of the code reusability. Containment has the relationship while inheritance is a relationships. Containment means use of the object of one class in the another, while inheritance means reusing the feature of class is derived the class. Containment relationship means the use of object class members of the another class. Containment has a relationship employee has a joining date. Containment is the simple approach in a while which the needs access the member of a class containment in an object class rather than inherits of the class A. The next is the containment indicates that once the object contain another, the containment is used only within the parent objects. Parent object can be declared as a private. So next is the containment is the being restricted in terms of the scope. The class level is important as the being restricted with class itself. Don't make a class available if the not needed here address is and the object that could be used by the several others classes in the order shipping the billings info restricted to the payment should not exit the outside if the containments. Next is the reminder that classes represent not a relationship between the parent class and the child class in the containment. So next is the execution value. There is the various collection classes that the contain the types of the objects in this containment. In this the case containments primary behavior to the insert, remove and contain object of the contents. So next is the some rules regarding as the accessibility that applies to members data into the applies to content class should be the private or this is the reminder that classes represent at the relationship between the parents class and the child class. So thank you.